If your lawn is becoming overrun with tough weeds like crabgrass, dandelions, and daisies, then look for herbicides made with Quinclorac. Quinclorac is an active ingredient used in herbicides that control grassy weeds and broadleaf weeds. In this video, we'll teach you about the active ingredient itself and show you how to use popular products made with it. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Quinclorac is an active ingredient used in herbicides designed to control broadleaf weeds and grassy weeds growing in turf. This ingredient was first registered in 1992 to control weeds growing on agricultural and non-agricultural properties. These days, it's often used to control weeds on residential properties, notably crabgrass. When crabgrass starts to take over lawns, many homeowners use Quinclorac to eliminate them and keep their lawns cleared of any weeds. Products made with Quinclorac are typically made as liquid concentrates or as dry flowables. Products made with Quinclorac typically have post-emergent function, but some may be used as pre-emergence. Always read through your product's label before use to understand how it should be applied. Quinclorac mimics a specific plant growth hormone. Plants subjected to this chemical will experience unregulated plant cell growth, similar to cancer. This uncontrolled growth results in the plant's death. Quinclorac is a systemic herbicide. Once it's absorbed into plant tissue, the chemical translocates throughout the vascular system to destroy the entire plant. Quinclorac herbicides are safe to use when applied according to their product label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when applying herbicides and keep them out of reach of any children or pets. Exposure via consumption, inhalation, or direct skin contact may cause harm. When applied to plants in a liquid formulation, always wait for the product to dry completely before letting people or pets around the area. If any broadleaf or grassy weeds are starting to creep into your lawn, check out Quinclorac 75DF. Quinclorac 75DF is a selective, post-emergent herbicide that is safe to use on various types of turf grasses to kill a variety of broadleaf and grassy weeds, including tough weeds like crabgrass. To spot treat weeds or to broadcast over turf, you'll apply the product at the labeled rate of 0.367 ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you apply Quinclorac 75DF with a 1-gallon handheld sprayer since it makes mixing and application quick and easy. Once your product is mixed, use a cone spray pattern to either spot treat weeds or broadcast the solution over your turf. Be sure to spray on a calm day to avoid wind drift and spray weeds to the point of wet, making sure to coat the leaves. Do not exceed the labeled annual rate of 2 pounds of Quinclorac 75DF per acre per year, or 0.73 ounces per 1,000 square feet per year. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can eliminate and control a broad spectrum of weeds on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.